want the scallop? I'm a goofy goober! You're a goofy goober! We're all goofy goobers! Goofy, goofy, goober, goober! Put your toys away! Well, all I gotta say when you tell me not to play, I say no way! No way, no freaking way! I'm a kid, you say. When you say I'm a kid, I say it again. And then I say thank you very much. So if you're thinking that you'd like to be like me, go ahead, try. The kid inside will set you free. I'm a baby, Lizzie, I'm a baby, Lizzie, I'm a goofy goober. What's happening? Huh? Is that impressive? But I'm in control. See him? I'm free! I've been free! What? No! My precious helmet! His chops are too righteous! The helmets can't handle this level of rock and roll! Carrot, do something! Carrot? All right, that's the last straw! Neptune, I command you!
Here you go, Daddy.
I better get out of here.
Look, it's the wizard who saved us.
Out of my way, fools!